Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the NOCO Boost Plus. So it's received 4.7 out of 5 stars and over 60,000 have been purchased in the past month alone. Introducing the NOCO Boost Plus, a portable lithium-ion battery jump starter that can help you start a dead car battery, charger devices, and more. Be sure to read the user manual to understand the product and its safety precautions. Even if it's not in use, you want to make sure that you recharge it every 3 to 6 months. So how do you use it? To use the flashlight function, you're going to press the flashlight button to turn it on. The NOCO Boost Plus has different light modes, including SOS and strobe light. Cycle through these by pressing the flashlight button multiple times. Now, anytime you use this, you want to make sure the NOCO Boost Plus is fully charged before use. The LED indicator on the device will show you the charge level. Now, if you need it for a dead car battery, I'm going to walk you through the steps. So first of all, you want to ensure that the ignition of your car is turned off before connecting the device. Locate the positive and negative terminals on your vehicle's battery. So you're going to attach the red positive clamp to the positive battery terminal, and then you're going to want to attach the black negative clamp to the negative battery terminal. Press the power button on the NOCO Boost Plus to turn it on. Once the device is on, try to start your vehicle. If the car doesn't start right away, wait 30 seconds to a minute and try again. If the vehicle doesn't start after a few attempts, stop to avoid overheating the device. After the vehicle starts, turn the NOCO Boost Plus off and disconnect the clamps, starting with the black negative clamp, then remove the red positive clamp. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.